Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll discuss one important Excel formula, that is sum product. So be with me till the end of this video and I make sure you will have clear understanding of sum product. Fine. So let's start. But before that, if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe to the channel. If I give you the disclaimer, sum product works same as SUMX function in DAX. If you know SUMX, you will have idea about sum product, or if you know sum product, you will have idea about SUMX. Fine. So let's start. So here we have like total 5 product, that is MacBook, iPhone, iPad, iWatch, pencil, and price of each product and quantity. So I want total sales price. So total sales price is nothing but price into quantity and sum for all the products. That is nothing but here. That is what I am doing here, like multiplying price into quantity. That is G7 sale with F7. Okay. And similarly for all the products. And at the last here I am adding all the sum. So I'm adding all the I column, that is from I7 to I11. So here what I'm doing is I'm creating one extra column to calculate the price into quantity for each product, right? So without calculating, without creating extra column or without calculating the total amount for each product, we can directly calculate the total sales amount. So how we can, let's see. So we have formula that is equal to sum product. Okay, sum product. So sum product asking for array 1. So array 1 is nothing but the like array. Okay, so I'm giving here is price, comma, array 2. Array 2 is quantity. Okay, quantity. If I press enter, see we have 7,94,000. That is nothing but total sales price for all the products. So I hope you understand. Fine. Still, if you have any doubt and which Excel function you want to learn in the next video, please comment that function. And if you are preparing for data analyst job or Power BI or Excel related job, so I created one separate Telegram group where I post job updates related to these skills. Fine. So if you want to join, you can join. I'll put the link into the description box. Till then, take care and we will meet soon. Bye.